It is Monday morning and it is gearing up to be a busy week. We were just discussing off camera that we've got 3 folks out sick. One with a positive COVID test, the other 2 with stomach bugs of some kind. Anyway, bit short-handed, but it is what it is, right? So we're going to take a crew over to the Springfield Discovery Center where we're putting up a pretty exciting fence. It's a fence that we're donating. I don't want to give too much of it away, but they're enclosing something pretty special, and we'd like to be a part of it. We're going to take Victor and his guys over to Discovery Center and lay out a project. Yeah, up to the edge, yeah. And then just follow it around. So to here, turn here, or that. The single gate, yeah. The single gate here.
Side?
Or
this side?
Probably that side, yeah. The only thing they're worried about is kids.
Yeah.
So that's not too high. Go for it. Yeah. Okay, well, let me know. Once we were sure that the dinosaur pen was off to a great start and in the capable hands of Victor and Abe, we hit the road again. To see how well this project turned out, stick around to the end of the video. If you guys are watching the channel, then you know we're starting up another company that specializes in manufacturing chain link wire. We had a few things need to go over to the new facility, so Chase and Dalton loaded them up and met us over there.
Right here. Yeah. One strap. Overall. Secret code for this week is Keystone.
Oh, hello there. Well, I guess you saw everything get set up. Well, the important things. I mean, my office is obviously ready. So now nothing else is really ready. We still have a machine to show up. We still have some electrical to get installed. We obviously have quite a ways to go. But the key pieces are in place for this business to skyrocket in the future. Stay tuned. With the essentials under control at the new facility, we head over to Sertoma for some lunch. Those of you guys that I have not met and I do not know, my name is Joe Everest. I'm the current president of Springfield Sertoma. Today is an exciting day. I think all the Sertomans in the room will agree because this is kind of the day that we build up for, that we feel like we work all year for, generating funds and trying to we're putting in a lot of time and effort, and this is kind of the culmination of that. I think you guys would agree with me on that. So I'm excited. Sertoma's in the room are excited. So if you're a guest, if you're here receiving these funds, we want to say we appreciate you guys also helping make this happen. So Springfield Sertoma, what does Sertoma stand for? Well, it stands for Service to Mankind. It's a local charitable organization that aims to give back and help organizations that help the kids in our community. Help those that are helping others, sort of thing.
Be encouraged and just really impressed by the compassion of those of you who have spent a lot of time and resources to make these things possible. So I just want to say that up front.
If you guys follow the channel, then you know once a quarter I bring in a team of fencing professionals to learn from me and my team. We try to help others by showing them how we operate. If you're watching the Week in the Life, way back in episode 2 was the second round winners of this Spend a Day with the Expert. Well, it's time to do it again. Bo and his team made the trek down from Colorado. Yeah, they work and twist like crazy. Yeah.
Really quick on the material order. So I'm assuming you guys, like when you're sourcing your stuff, do you check with different suppliers on like cost, or do you typically use one supplier?
We try to use one supplier.
Okay.
After a jam-packed morning of training, it was time for lunch. And Kai's birthday. Now, I asked Kai earlier, I said, is 23 better than 22? And he said, yes, definitely better, right? Oh yeah, much better, all right. Well, let's all sing happy birthday to Kai. Does that sound good, Kai? All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kai. Now, as the company and specifically the shipping department grow, we bring in a lot of stuff from Uline. Not a sponsor, but they do provide an excellent service. Now, when you buy above a certain dollar amount from Uline, they kick in free stuff. You get to pick a free gift. Well, when we do that, we give those away. We raffle them off at the final Friday. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up.
9, 2, 3.
All right.
9, 2, 3.
932. Back. 932.
Wow.
Hi, Brian.
Hi, Kai.
928. What's up? We got a Yeti cooler.
That sucker's. That's a couple.
Mine
of
is.
I don't know what size it is.
Yeah.
It's a Tundra 35, if that
Hopefully,
tells you
I will
anything.
win.
35.
Hopefully.
There you go.
35 beers. 923.
Hey!
Hey! Reese! All right. That's it.
This will be on Marketplace later? I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Any words of wisdom?
Tonight is always darkest
Just
before the dawn.
The night is always darkest just before the dawn.
Words of wisdom with Jace.
I got $10 that Bueller out throws you by at least 20 feet.
Let's go.
Who do you think's gonna win, Matt?
Who's it between?
Between Chase and Bueller.
You on market? So rude. My last day and they all haters hate, man.
That was okay. Holy crap. Well, that was definitely farther.
And with that, another week successfully in the books. But I haven't shown you how that dinosaur fence turned out. We took a trip back to see exactly how it turned out once the fence is done, but also once the Discovery Center spruced it up a little bit. All right, guys, I think you'll agree with me. Fence turned out really nice. Thanks to the Discovery Center for bringing us in on the project. Also, huge shout out to Ameristar Perimeter Security for partnering with us and providing the fencing system itself. Like I said, I think you'll agree, turned out pretty sweet. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Guys, hope you enjoyed the episode. I love putting these on. The team loves putting them on. I hope you enjoy watching them. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. Until next week, I'm Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors.